Hi guys, I am Siva. Subject name is Radiological Equipment. Subject code is 19PM 701. My seminar topic is Radiation Therapy, a major cancer treatment using high energy radiation. Target and destroy cancer cells while protecting healthy disease. Used alone for combined with surgery and chemotherapy. High planned and technological based therapy. What is radiation therapy? Used for high energies, X-ray like X-ray, gamma ray and particles. Damage cancer cell DNA to stop growth, non-invasive and painless treatment. Why radiation is used? To sting and tumor before surgery, to kill remaining cells after surgery, to treat cancer to cannot be removed. Types of radiation: ionizing radiation, X-ray, gamma ray, electron beams. Non-ionizing radiation not be used to treatment. How radiation is work? Radiation damage cancer cells DNA. Cancer cell cannot be repaired, damaged efficiently to cell stop dividing and die. Healthy cells recover faster. External beam radiation therapy. Most common radiation method. Beam directed from machines outside the body. External radiation. Radiation source planted inside the body, used for crival, prostate, breast cancer, gives high dose to small area. Systematic radiation therapy. Radioactive drugs given orally or via injection. Travel through bloodstream to cancer site to use thyroid bones and metalysis. What is LINAC? Linear accelerator used for EBRT. Produce high energy X-ray or electrons. Treatment planning. Radiation oncologist design treatment. CT, MRI scan used for located tumor. Stimulation process. Pre-treatment, patient monitoring and impolition marketing treatment or skin or using mask. Help repeat some position daily. Radiation measured in gray. SRS, SBDD. SRS, high dose radiation for brain tumors. SBRT, high dose for body tumors. Adaptive radiotherapy, treatment adjusted daily, accounts for body damage, improve accuracy, used AI based planning, more personalized therapy. Yearly side effect: skin redness, high hair loss and treat area loss, appetite. Late side effect: organ function damage. Safety measures: accurate dose calculation by physicists, quality assurance check, patient positioning device, regular machines calibration. Radiation oncology team. Radiation oncology plans treatment, medical physicist checks dose accuracy. Radiation therapist delivery treatment, nurse provide supportive care. Advantages: painless and non-invasive, target tumors precisely, can cure many cancer. Limitation: some tumors are radiation resistant, may have nearly normal disease, required any session. Conclusion: radiation therapy is essential in cancer and used for cure, control and symptom relief, and modern technique improve the accuracy, safety, ensure minimal side effect. Technology contains cancer. Limitation: some tumors are radiation resistant, may have nearly normal disease, required any session. Conclusion: radiation therapy is essential in cancer and used for cure, control and symptom relief, and modern technique improve the accuracy, safety, ensure minimal side effect. Technology any session. Conclusion: radiation therapy is essential in cancer and used for cure, control and symptom relief, and modern technique improve the accuracy, safety, ensure minimal side effect. Technology continues to advance. Thank you.